Alright, well, here's an update on my home network from a couple other last videos that I did. I got DirecTV on top there, DirecTV receiver, Roku, my internet modem, which is a Surfboard SB6190, and then I added this switch. It's a Ubiquiti, I think it's an 8-port PoE switch. I got my 3 cameras, 2 access points, and then this wire over here is feeding this switch with PoE for my 10 gigabit per second switch right here through from MikroTik. And then I got my patch panel right here, and then this yellow fiber right here is what connects this switch to this switch. And then it's hard to see, you can't see it in there. Port 1 on this Dell. Sorry, light sucks. It's some type of Dell switch. Goes over to my pfsense router, which is right here. It's running a Ryzen 3 with integrated graphics. So the cable modem goes into my pfsense router, and then from a pfsense router it goes to port 1 on this switch. And then for the Ubiquiti access points, what's running my Ubiquiti software, instead of buying a cloud key, I run it off of my Unraid box over there. And I also have AT&T service at my house, but it's only 12 megs. So I run over there in that Unraid box, MB, and the Ubiquiti controller software for my 2 access points and the switch. And then also my cameras, I have Ubiquiti cameras, and the software that runs cameras runs off of that. And that is connected with this SFP Plus connector, and this one goes to my main computer up there. And then that switch, I have another patch panel here. I just have jacks in my house in case I want to use them. And this tiny little rack that's not that big. But if you look underneath here, that's my wire mess. It's hard to see in there. But the wires all come through the wall, and then they terminate on the patch panel here. And there's my LAN. And then from the patch panel they go to this Dell gigabit switch. And then the Ubiquiti switch here is just a gigabit switch. This cable here that powers it, that powers my 10 gig switch, I only use 10 gig in between my Unraid box and my main computer to transfer files. And then this right here, even though it's fiber, it's only SFP, so it's only a 1 gig port on this Ubiquiti switch. But that's just an update to my home network. There's a little bit better picture. This camera sucks. But I got my modem, router, and then I have the access points elsewhere in the house. And then DirecTV, Roku, Genie 2, that is like the server for the DirecTV system. And then, yeah, I just have a whole bunch of network jacks throughout my house in case I want to use them. As you can see, I'm not using very many ports, but that's mainly because everything's in here and I got them plugged into the PoE switch. But yeah, just thought I'd give an update, and this box is just hiding some power strips underneath there since I haven't gotten a power thing to stick in the rack. Well, here's one of my access points next to an outlet I installed, but it's powered with PoE from that switch. And I just installed the work box there and then fished the wall up to my attic. And then that's what supplies Wi-Fi to my upstairs rack. But this I'd give you guys an update and to my home network. Alright, thanks. Bye.